Once you have been installed a Tableau Public, the first job is to load the data, connect to a data points, because a Tableau Public will not be able, you will not be able to create a data in a Tableau. Okay, you need to connect the data which you already created in any of the format, like it may be a Excel or text format. Text file is nothing but CSV, or a JSON, JavaScript, or Microsoft Access. We already learned this one, Microsoft Access, like to create a data. You can also load a PDF file. Spatial is nothing but a geometrical related file, statistical file, or you can also load a other file like a Google Sheets and web data connectors. Okay, so here first we have to check which data format I have, and we need to select that particular data format here to connect that particular file. Once you have been connected, then we can work in a Tableau to create a dashboards and storyline. First we will learn how to connect the data. First we have to select, for example, I'm connecting now Microsoft Excel file. So what we will do, we'll select a Microsoft Excel here. It will ask which file to be connected. I will select that particular file to connect and open. Okay, once you have been connected a data, you can able to see here on left hand side the data detail is there on a left hand side. On right hand side, data preview will be shown. In that particular area, data preview will be shown. In this particular area, which data you would like to connect, you can take it to a here. Okay, first thing we have to one thing you have to remember in a Tableau is nothing but we have to connect a clean data. Clean data. For example, this particular file, the product list demo, this particular file has a two data set. One is a clean data, that is nothing but one page, and one more page is about a raw data. Okay. Why we are need a clean data? Because you can check here. If I open a Excel, you can check. If you go to a raw data set, it is not in a clean format. You can see here the formats are not in a clean format, the dates are not in a date format. Okay, this sales channel is not arranged properly. Okay, we have to change the date format, like we can change the date format by using this one. Okay, like this we have to change. Okay, we have to change each and every format. Okay, that is nothing but a clean data. Here it is there. Okay, clean one. Okay, all are arranged properly. Data is date in itself, date in the date itself, everything is arranged properly in this particular sheet, second sheet. That is nothing but a clean data. For that reason in a Tableau we have to load a clean data, because we'll not be able to clean here. So much of cleaning options are not there in a Tableau. Only basic cleaning you can do, like a split or changing a format you can do, but will not be able to do a cleaning what you can able to do it in a Power BI. Okay, you will not be able to do such cleaning in a Tableau. For that reason always it is preferred to load the clean load the clean data. And here you can have a different tabs here. Okay, we'll learn one by one. First we will learn about how to work on a data source, that is nothing but connected data. How to work on a data source. In a data source we have a which file it has been connected. Here it is there, and it is giving that two sheets are there. Okay, two sheets are there. Which one you would like to load to analysis? We have to select that one, select that particular sheet and drag it to a here. Okay, here drag table, here it is there. No, we have to drag it to this particular section. Okay, to load that particular data here. That particular data will be loaded on a this particular section. You can see if I take it up, how to take it out. Select here this drop down and say remove. Okay, to delete that particular data from the loading. If you like to load this raw data set, select and drag it to a right hand side here, this particular section. Again it is loaded, but it is not in a clean format. You can see here Okay, this is not in a clean format. Here something like it is space, additional space, everything is there. Okay, so that we can take it out. How to take it out? Select and say remove. Okay, so that we can take it out from the loading. To load it back, either you can double click on that particular sheet, which one you would like to load, double click, or we can select and drag it to this particular section. Okay, like this we can load the data into a tab, load the that particular data into a tab. One time only one sheet you can load. Okay, once you have been loaded a data, few format you can change, and you can split some of the columns, hide some of the columns and all there. Okay, these options we will be going to learn in a next video.